On the Science Center side of things, we're really focused on providing STEM learning opportunities outside of the traditional confines of a school environment. So we have an incredibly robust summer program, for example, where close to 1,000 young people, grades K to 8, come across our campus during the summer with just an incredible depth and breadth of different STEM-based learning opportunities.
So one of the fascinating things we get to see with students is they have these aha moments where they see something they've never seen before, or they see it happening in front of them. Things they normally would have read about or seen on TV, they get to actually see this thing in front of them. When that light bulb goes off, when they see that for the first time, when they get to experience it in person, it's completely different from watching them read a book or answer a test question, etc.
I think the magic of Talcott Mountain Science Center is multifold. It's the energy enthusiasm of the instructors or faculty. It's the location. Being on the mountaintop is, kind of lets you see the world in a much broader sense, perhaps, just literally see the world in a broader way. So a lot of magical aspects of the Science Center that I still feel driving up here every time I come back.
Day to day, the faculty and staff are family to these children, and so they treat them that way. They embrace the caring and the thoughtfulness that you would as a parent.
While there are many resources for science elsewhere, there are none that provide the same kinds of hands-on experience that happen here.